Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Yeah, the idea was in the last video that we will get another low here in this structure here on the Litecoin chart. And it seems like we are getting it now. Let me just double check something. Yeah, seems like we're getting it now. It did in the meantime reset the wave 4 a little higher, but that's not a problem. That is not any new scenario here on this chart because we did communicate that as long as it stays below 96.50, another low is expected, and this is purely seen as a wave 4 pullback with potentially one more low to come. But as I always say, don't be too fussed about the micro count here. These micro counts are always dangerous. What is more important are only to really reveal the levels that are important for trading. So the wave count here revealed these levels, our resistance. And so far, I think that was an absolute fantastic reversal area, exactly like this one as well. They can be used for shorts, of course, if you like to do that. Probably not the best short setup, but it worked. Because this is resistance, right? And the idea was to get one more low as long as we stay below that 50% fib level. Now we are coming down, and yeah, I mean, this looks pretty good because next support would be 88.70, the 78.6 fib level. Depending on the structure, I think it probably still has a little bit of room to go. But to really confirm that the fifth wave is in the making, it really needs to break below the third wave low. I mean, but that's confirmation. But then it could be nearly finished. Okay, so that's why I like the pullbacks. And so far, I think it's on a good track to make another low. Would be pretty much in line with Bitcoin Ethereum's wave count, sort of. And the idea is, as long as we're holding, well, ideally 88.74, but possibly even here 85.40. I said before, I need to give it a little bit more space in this setup here. But 85.40, as long as that holds, I'm still looking at a third wave rally as a possibility higher. Below 85.40, I think it is very, very likely that price will break below our 28th of June low, 81.77. That's really the make or break point, you could say. Now, that's really the make or break point, because below that level, I cannot uphold the idea anymore that we had a wave 1 to the upside of that June low, that this was an impulse. I can't uphold that below 81.77. That is the official make or break point, yeah. And therefore, we then have to expect or have to assume that it already topped, that Litecoin already topped and might come back into the region around $50 maybe. So we will look at it then. At the moment, we are not at that invalidation point. We are not even close to it. We're getting closer, yeah, but that's nothing unusual at the moment. You need to understand that we are now in a potential trend reversal area for Circle Wave 2, where we can normally expect a turnaround, but it might take a little while to finally form that low. And I can only tell you that if you buy now, you're just catching a falling knife. I mean, it is a reasonable strategy to scale in, but make sure you know what you're doing from a position size point of view. And because if it's coming down here, there's no guarantee it will stop, and there's no guarantee that it will react to the fib levels. That's the balance every trader has to deal with. Do you wait for a confirmed reversal, or do you buy the catching, or you try to fall the catching knife? No, you try to catch the falling knife. It's not really catching the falling knife because you're using fib levels, so you use a method, and you know that this move up was likely a 5-wave move. So there is a good chance the move down is a 3-wave move. However, I have a warning here, and the warning is that below 85.40 this is likely to fail. And the next warning is that I don't like the look of the correction here. It is okay, but the A wave was too low. Okay, so that costs this chart a little bit of reliability. But yeah, I think we just need to be a bit patient now. We need to see if those support levels or those fib levels actually offer support, 88.70 and then 85.40. Yeah, this is my update about Litecoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.